Hello, this is the Southwest region. Region means an area on Earth with common features that set it apart from other areas. The Southwest region, although made up of only 4 states, covers a large area of land. Arizona, New Mexico, Oklahoma, and Texas make up this beautiful region. Because most of the land is made up of deserts, one of the biggest problems faced is limited water supply. 2 important deserts found in this region are the Sonoran Desert and the Chihuahuan Desert. The Sonoran Desert, which stretches across Arizona, is the hottest desert in North America, and it's home to many unique animals and plants which cannot be found anywhere else in the world. The Chihuahuan Desert extends all the way down to Mexico, and it is the largest desert in North America. The Grand Canyon, a popular tourist destination in this region, experiences around 5 million visitors each year. These guests travel to the state of Arizona to admire the natural wonder that was carved by the Colorado River. The rocks that make up the canyon range from 251 million years to 2 billion years old. You should stop the video now and answer this question. What are 2 important facts you learned about the Southwest region? You'll write the 2 facts here. You can choose any of the facts from these paragraphs above. On this page, you should write the names of the 4 states. I'll write those for you now. Arizona, New Mexico. You can copy these down. Arizona, New Mexico. Arizona, New Mexico, Texas, and Oklahoma. New Mexico. Sorry, I'll put that back so you can see it. Oklahoma. Okay, you might want to freeze the camera and copy those down. Arizona is number 1, number 2 is New Mexico, number 3 is Texas, and number 4, Oklahoma. All right, climate. Climate is the average pattern of weather for a particular region. The Southwest has a hot, dry climate with very little rain. It is known as the hottest region in the United States. As a matter of fact, the weather in Arizona has even been known to go up to 157 degrees Fahrenheit. Wow, that's really hot. Because most of this region is desert and experiences very little rain, plants and animals that live in this area have found ways to adapt or survive harsh weather. That's what the word adapt means. They survive the weather. The warmth found in this region attracts many visitors and tourists that like to escape freezing northern climates. Some cities in Arizona and Nevada have even been known to have 300 days of sunshine a year. You should pause the video and answer this question right here on page 3. Would you like to visit the Southwest? Explain why or why not. So you would restate the question. Yes, I would like to visit the Southwest region because, or no, I would not like to visit this region because. Make sure you give a couple reasons from what you just read. Would you like to visit there or would you not like to visit there? Maybe based on the climate. Natural resources. Natural resources are materials found in nature that people use. The Southwest has many natural resources. Oil, which is one of the most important resources found in this region, is used for fuel. Texas and Oklahoma are 2 of the largest producers of oil. The deserts in this region also have valuable minerals such as copper, uranium, iron, and silver. These resources have been used in making of jewelry, coins, and even weapons. This area is also known for its cattle and sheep ranches, which provide beef to states located throughout the U.S. They even supply meat to other countries as well. So here's the picture of minerals, oil, sheep, and cattle. On the next page, I'm making a video. Landforms on page 5. Natural features of the Earth's surface. This is the Colorado Plateau. It's a major plateau in this region. It's a large, flat area of land that is higher than the other areas of land surrounding it. This is a picture of a plateau. The Grand Canyon, I'm sure you've heard of this, created by powerful Colorado River. It has steep layers of colored rocky walls. Much of the Southwest region is covered by plains. Plains are long stretches of flat land. The coastal plains, the Great Plains, and the Central Plains are all three in this region. And finally, the Rio Grande forms a border between Texas and Mexico. It is an important river in the Southwest region because it brings this dry area much needed water for crops and wildlife. Moving on to page 6, landmarks. Important places or objects that can be natural or man-made. We have the Grand Canyon. It's a steep canyon formed by the Colorado River. It's made up of many layers of rock and soil. Minerals in the rock cause striped colors in the canyon. Carlsbad Cavern here is one of the world's oldest cave systems. These underground limestone caves are sometimes called the eighth wonder of the world. This is Johnson Space Center. Well, this is representative of it. That's in Texas. Johnson Space Center is NASA's Center for Astronaut Training, Research, and Flight Control. This is also known as the home of Mission Control, which directs all space shuttle missions. And another important landmark in the Southwest region is the Petrified Forest, which is in Arizona. This is a national park that contains the most spectacular collection of petrified wood ever discovered. Logs, stumps, and chunks of crystal can be found around the ground in this forest. And that's it for that booklet. So you can put this one back inside your regions folder when you're all done.